Hey my penguins, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you all this sultry brown smoky eye look with a nude lip option, but you can also glam it up by wearing a red lip color if you want. But I really wanted to keep this look really subtle and muted, that's why I went for a nude lip color. So if you're liking this look, then please keep on watching. And also, before starting off with the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And also please share this video with your friends and families as much as you can, so that we become a big YouTube fam as soon as possible. So without any further blabbering, let's start the video. So my face and lips are already well moisturized. Now I'm gonna straightly jump off to the makeup. And for my primer, I'm gonna use the Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer, and I'm gonna spritz it 3 times all over my face and then let it sit for a minute, and then I'll start with my foundation. Now for my foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in the shade Warm Sand. It's a beautiful dewy foundation and I love using this. This doesn't provide a great amount of coverage, but it's really good for a healthy glowy dewy makeup look, which I really like. I don't like those full coverage matte kind of foundations. That's why this is my most used and most loved one. So here I'm using a flat top kabuki brush to apply this foundation, and I'm gonna stamp it really well all over my face and also dragging it down to blend it with my neck. Now for my concealer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes and also on the tip of my nose, on my forehead, and also on my cupid's bow and a little bit on my chin. And with the help of the same brush which I used to blend my foundation, I'm gonna blend my concealer as well. And I'm not gonna drag the concealer, I'm just gonna stamp it and blend it seamlessly with my skin. So this is how my face looks after completing my base. Now to set my face and all the concealed areas, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 20, and with the help of a fluffy powder brush, I'm gonna set only all those areas where I've applied concealer, mostly my T-zone cause I sweat there a lot. Now for my contour blush and highlight, I'm gonna use the Sugar Contour de Force palette in the shade Subtle Summit, and with the help of an angled brush, I'm gonna first contour my face. This contouring powder is perfect for my skin tone. It just gives that perfect amount of shadow to my face which I need, and it blends seamlessly with my skin as well. I just love this palette. Now contouring my jawline as well, and also a little bit on my chin to hide that double chin, and pinching the same brush, I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit so that it looks really sharp. Also applying a little bit under my lips to give them a fuller effect, and also contouring my forehead. Now applying some blush on the apples of my cheeks to give that flushed look. Now applying the same highlighter from the palette to highlight the high points of my face, and here I'm using a big fat fan brush to apply my highlighter, and I'm gonna apply it on the high points of my face like my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow, a little bit on my forehead, and also on my chin. So I already did my brows off camera, and I'm gonna straightly start off with the eye makeup. And for that I'm gonna be using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, and taking this shade on a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna use it as my transition shade. And using a windshield wiper motion and also small circular motion, I'm gonna apply it all over my crease to give a soft warm effect. Now I'm going to take this medium brown shade from the palette, and using a tapered blending brush I'm going to apply it on my crease directly to add some depth and definition over there. And again I'm going to blend it out really well using small circular motion so that there are no harsh lines. Now taking this chocolatey brown shade on a flash shader brush, I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid, and I'm gonna stamp the color first, and I'm not going to drag the color too much up to my crease and not gonna drag it also too much to my inner corners because I don't want too much darkness over there. So I'm gonna first stamp the color all over my lid, and then using the same tapered blending brush I'm gonna blend out the edges. So here you have to be really patient and you have to take your time while blending the colors, because if you don't do so the eye look will turn out really patchy and blotchy, and you don't want that. To create that great gradation from darkest to lightest, you have to blend the colors and merge them into each other really well. To add some more sultriness to the eyes, I'm gonna take this black shade on an angled brush and I'm gonna stamp it really close to my lash line to add a bit more smokiness over there. You don't have to draw any kind of wing or so, just stamp it really close to your lash line, and later I'm gonna blend it out using a brush. So just using back and forth motion, I'm gonna blend the black eyeshadow really well. Now stamping the same black eyeshadow close to my lower lash line as well, but I'm not gonna drag it to my inner corner. I'm just gonna keep it till the halfway. Now using the same brown shade which I used on my lid, I'm gonna smoke the black eyeshadow really well. You can see how much difference it makes after applying your eyeshadow on your lower lash line. It just completes the whole eye look. And using the same two colors which I used in my crease, I'm gonna further blend out the colors and also connect my lower lash line with my upper lash line. Doing the same thing on my other eye as well. Now using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Nude Eye Pencil on my lower waterline. I love using a nude color eye pencil whenever I am doing any dark smoky eye look. This will just brighten up my eyes really well and also gives me a full awake effect. Now using the L18 Eye Drama Kajal, I'm gonna tightline my upper waterline. Using this shimmery shade from the palette, and with the help of a pencil brush I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eye, and as well as I'm gonna use the same color to highlight my brow bone. Now just gonna curl up my lashes, and I'm gonna use lots and lots of mascara. I'm not going for any kind of falsies because I don't like to wear them, but if you want you can go for them. but I just used 2 or 3 coats of mascara instead of using fake lashes. So for my mascara, here I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It's my holy grail and all-time favorite. Now it's time for some lipstick, and for that I'm using the Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Janvi. It's a beautiful peachy pinky nude color, and this color will suit fair to medium skin tones really well. And for dusky skin beauties, I would suggest you to use a darker lip liner underneath it so that you can also rock this color. Now to set my whole makeup in place, I'm gonna use the same Blue Heaven makeup fixer and I'm gonna let it dry for a minute. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And let me know in the comment down below and tell me how you like this video, and if you have any video recommendation, I would love to do that for you guys. So till then, see you in my next video, girlies. Stay happy, stay safe.